Pretty pleased with that wear. It's pretty even. So the caliper looks decent, yeah. Which is good because I don't have a new one. Use an old brake pad upside down to push evenly on the caliper. And then I'm gonna check the fluid and make sure that's not overflowing as I push it back. It shouldn't, but good to check that. I'm gonna push that all the way back. So when I started, that fluid was down about there, so it definitely did come up. It's right up to the neck, but it's fine. It's a little above max, but once I repump the brakes, it'll be fine. That slid right back nice and smooth. Now we'll throw the new pads in. Caliper side first, because that has the thingy that pops inside. Then this on the outside, then the new wire. Need two hands to do that. Hold up right there, got it popped in. I'll just reline up those bolts. I'm gonna put anti-seize on them so they come off easier next time. Prettied up. And then we'll go ahead and tighten them up. I don't like how close that is. Better.